So, good morning, student. How are you? I think you all are safe and you are staying in home. So, don't be panic. So, in yesterday, I have completed the first chapter. Food, where does it come from? So, in that chapter, I have discussed the variety of food and different source of food. What are the ingredient and what are the food item. So now today it is the second period. I am going to discuss the plant product as a food. Okay. So what are the plant product as a food? Okay. So write down. Plant are the ultimate source of food for all animal and human beings. Plant provide us large amount of food items such as grains, vegetables, and cereals. Okay, so plant are the ultimate source of food for all animal and human being. Yes or no? So plant are the so only source. Okay, only source which provide food to all animal and human being. So food item like this different type. So food item may be animal, food item may be plant. Okay, so the food item which are we get from the plant, these are grains. Okay, what are the grains? Rice, wheat, jowar, all are common grains. Vegetables, so many types of vegetables there. Ladies finger, brinjal, okay, potato, all are come under vegetables. And cereals means so many types of dals like moong dal, tur dal. Okay, so these are come under and some nuts. Okay, so these are come under cereals. Okay, so these are the plant product as a food. Okay, so come to second. So we will discuss parts of the plant. Okay, what are the parts of the plant as a taken as a food? Okay, so tell me what part of the plant as a we take as a food. So sometimes what will happen, some plant is there, we take all the part of as a food. Example, pumpkin. Okay, pumpkin is a food, we take all the the parts of the as a food. Example, pumpkin seed, pumpkin fruits, pumpkin stem, pumpkin leaves. Okay, so all the parts of the pumpkin we take as a food. So now today I will discuss the parts of the plant. Okay, what are the parts of the plant as a food. Okay, tell me, is there any only one part of the plant is taken as a food? So my answer it is no. Okay, so in the plant we are taking a different part of the plant as a food. Okay, so this is the picture of a tree. Okay, this is a picture of a tree. This is a flowers, and flowers also it is a parts of the plant we take as a food. Okay, so later I will give so many example about the flowers. Leaves. Okay, leaves also it is a parts of the plant. Then fruits. Okay, fruits also it is the so many parts of the plant. Then so this is a new some one outgrowth is coming out now. So it is called a node. Okay, node. In the between node, so one another outgrowth is there. It is called a internode. Okay, so one outgrowth is come out. It is called a node. Okay, so in between two node, one another node is there. It is called a internode. Okay, and here and some outgrowth, a big like outgrowth is come out. It is called a bud. Okay, from the bud it is make flower to then fruits. Okay, so this is the stem of a plant. Okay, so many stem we are taken as a food. Okay, then this the main root is called the primary root. From the main root to from the main root the small root is arises. Okay, from the main root is called the primary root, and from the main root a small root is arises. It is called the what? It is called the secondary root. Okay, from the root first one main root is arises. From the main root it is a small root, it is spread to the ground. This is called a secondary root. Okay, so what will happen, this primary root and secondary root, this is called a root system. Okay, you just remember the primary root and secondary root, this is called a root system. And remaining all the flowers, leaves, bud, node, stem, interroot and fruits, all are called a shoot system. Okay, shoot means these are come under stem. Okay, and these are come under root. Okay, so the plant are divided into two parts. One is the shoot system, another is the root system. Okay, so the plants, the parts of the plant are divided into two types. One is the called a shoot system, another is the root system. Okay, so just write down. Then I will discuss so many examples of the different parts of the plant. Okay, so come to discuss about the different parts of the plant. Okay, so different parts of the plant. So in our surrounding we are taking so many fruits, stem, okay, root, okay, flowers, okay, leaves, but we cannot now which one is the root, which one is the stem, which one is the leaves. So today I will discuss all the parts of the plant. So make a circle. Okay, so many example is there. Okay, first one is the fruit. Okay, stem, leaves, flower, okay, root. So this is the and some seed. Okay, so this is the parts of the plant we are taken as a food. Okay, so tell me example of each and each one. Okay, so first we will say this example of fruits. Okay, so tell me which one is we taken as a fruits. Okay, so it is the tomato. Okay, tomato. Okay, cucumber. Then gourd. Okay, so these are fruits we are taken as a fruits. Okay, then come to flowers. Okay, so what is flowers? What are the example of flowers? It is the broccoli. What? Broccoli. Okay, then cauliflower. So these are the okay. So these are the example of flowers: broccoli, cauliflower. Okay, broccoli, cauliflower. Then broccoli spellings. Sorry, it is the double COLI. Okay, broccoli. So these are the example of flowers. Then come to the root. Okay, so what are the example of root? It is the right. So root, tell me example of a root. So it is carrot. Carrot is a root. Then carrot is a root. Then turnip. Then to beetroot. Then another example. So it is a sweet potato. Okay. So carrot, turnip, sweet potato. Okay. Then beetroot. These are the example of what? Root. Okay. So tell me example of example of leaves. Okay. So it is spinach. Spinach. Then cabbage. So these are the example of what? Leaves. Okay. Tell me example of stem. So it is garlic. Yes or no? Garlic or onion. Then sugar cane. So ginger. So these are example of stem. So tell me example of some seed. Okay. So example of a seed, beans. Okay. Then peas, sunflower. So these are the example of what? Parts of the plant. This is a fruit. Example of fruits, tomato. So tomato we are taken as a fruits. Okay. So first what will happen? It is flower, then flower 2 it will grow as a fruits. Okay. Cucumber, gourd, these are come under stem. Garlic. Okay. Garlic means rasun. Then onion. Okay. So onion, pyaz, it is also stem. Sugar cane. Okay. Ganna, it is also come under the stem. Then ginger, adrak, it also come under the stem. So what will happen in exam? This question will come out like they will given some four example of garlic and it is given another one of leaves. Okay. So find out odd one. Okay. So what will happen in that way? Question will come out. Okay. Then seed. Okay. Seed you now beans, peas and sunflower. These are come under seed. Then root. Carrot, turnip, beetroot and sweet potato. These are come under root. Okay. So it is over. So you have idea about that this concept map. So come to one activity for you. So okay. So your second activity. Okay, one activity for you. So suppose we will find out the activity. What is sporot? Okay, what is sporot? SPROUT. Okay, what is sporot? Okay. So first what will happen? This is a container. Okay. So in this container, take some what? So take some gram. Okay. So many take so many grams. Okay. So these are gram. Gram means chana. Okay. So there in a container take some gram and put water. Okay. So put water. So put water and keep it for 1 day. After that 1 day, drain the water and then this gram taken as for 1 hour as a dryer. After that it is covered as a some cotton cloths. Okay. So next day what will you observe? Some outgrowth will be come out from the. This is a grain. Okay. In that grain gram. Okay. So in gram what will happen? So white color. It is white color. White color outgrowth. Okay. Outgrowth come out. Okay. So this is called spurot. So this is called spurot. Okay. So this is a gram. So what will happen? How you perform this activity? So first in a container. Okay. First in a container you take some gram and you put with the water. After keep it 1 day. After that next day. Okay. So remove the water and keep the gram for dry for 1 hour. After that take a small cotton cloth and cover this cotton cloth with the gram. So what will happen? Next day you will be observe a small outgrowth will be come out in the gram. So these small outgrowth are called what? Spurot. Okay. Spurot it is a contain so many number of vitamin. So it is a one type of food item. Okay. So in home you can perform this activity and you can observe how it is happen. Okay. So all should be do this activity in your home. Then come to classification of animal on the basis of their what? Food. Okay. So classification of animal on the basis of their food. So how many types of animal are there according to their food? Okay. So right, classification of animal on the basis of food. Okay. So classification of animal on the basis of food. Okay. So first one is herbivorous. Okay. What? Herbivorous. So herbivorous means the animal that eat plant and plant product. These are called herbivorous. Okay. Right. The animal that eat plant and plant product. Okay, the animal that eat plant and plant, not plant. Okay, plant and plant product are these animal are called herbivorous. Okay, herbivorous. Example, tell me example. The plant which eat only plant and plant product. Okay, so it is our main example in our house cow. Then next one is goat. Yes or no? Then buffalo. Okay, buffalo. Okay, then horse. Yes or no? So these are common the example of herbivorous. Then carnivorous. Okay. So in fifth standard also read about this, the herbivorous, carnivorous. Okay, you have some idea. So carnivorous, same, the animal that the animal, okay, the animal that okay, that the animal that eat, okay, eat flesh. Flesh means meat, okay, or chicken are called carnivorous. Yes, are called carnivorous. So example of carnivorous, it is tell me, only they are eating flesh, okay, flesh. So it is what? Tell me. So it is lion. Yes, tiger. Yes. Then so eagle. So these are come under what? Carnivorous. Then third one is omnivorous. Omnivorous. Okay. So tell me example of omnivorous. So the animal that eat, okay, the animal that eat both plant and animal are called omnivorous. Okay, right. The animal that eat both plant and animal, okay, are called what? Omnivorous. Example, so you can write what? Man. Yes, monkey. So listen. So herbivorous, so many examples is there. Okay, the animal that eat plant and plant product are these animal are called herbivorous. Example, cow, goat, buffalo, horse, giraffe. Okay, giraffe you can write. Okay. So then come to carnivorous, the animal that eat flesh. Okay, so the animal that eat flesh are called carnivorous. Example, lion, tiger, eagle. Then omnivorous, the animal that eat both plant and animal. Okay, so example, man, monkey, then rat also. So rat, peacock. So many examples is there. So about to the animal. So it is because they are classified according to their food. Okay. So it is 6th standard. So first chapter, food, where does it come? It is finished. So next period I will discuss your question answer. Thank you.